Okay, we're going to begin. Bring your focus across the room where your eyes rest naturally. Bring your focus to your center of your head and then breathe. Close your eyes. Now ground yourself through your base, root chakra, deep into the earth. Expand your grounding. It goes deep, 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 deep into the earth, to the center of the earth. Feel the earth energy returning up the legs into your root chakra. Feel the root chakra absorbing all the energy that it needs to be a strong foundation for you today. Feel the divine, the cosmic energy coming down from above your root of your crown chakra, coming down the back of your body, all the way to the root chakra, to the base of the spine. The cosmic energy comes over there. Feel the energy cleaning the root chakra, releasing any stuck energy around your survival, health, money issues, cleaning all that energy out. Feel the root chakra as becoming a strong foundation for all your physical needs. No more fears. What will happen tomorrow? We're going to do this right now. Clean everything up. Cosmic energy is coming up from the bottom chakra to the navel now, cleaning up the navel chakra. Clearing and cleaning out any stuck energies around emotions, sexuality, and vitality. Feel the second chakra now, full of motivation. The fire inside you, which is fuel for all you do, all you believe. Cleaned up. Feel the cosmic energy now going up into the solar plexus, which is your third chakra. Clearing out any stuck energies around manifesting, power, position. Now let this chakra be very strong, knowing that you can accomplish all your dreams. Breathe, deep breathing. Feel the cosmic energy going up to the heart chakra, clearing out any stuck energy around love for yourself or for others, cleaning the heart out. As this chakra clears and fills with new energy, you are now fully able to give and receive love. Now the cosmic energy continues up to the throat chakra, clearing and refueling this chakra. Let yourself release any stuck energy around communications. And as this chakra clears, you know that now you can speak your truth. Keep your eyes closed, see the energy focused. Feel this cosmic energy going up now to the 6th chakra, which is a third eye, cleaning up any stuck energies there around intuition, guidance from above. As it clears, you give yourself permission to fully understand your situation, your guidance. Feel the cosmic energy going up to the crown chakra, top of the head, lighting up that chakra with new inspiration, spiritual connections, and feel the cosmic energy showering out of your head around your aura on all sides. See it coming out. Now be in the center of your head, sacral chakra, the crown. Now let's pick a chakra to focus on today. One that you feel there may be a problem with. At this point, you need to let your intuition, your third eye, guide you at which chakra needs to be cleaned up more. You go there, you bring your consciousness, you bring your presence to that particular chakra. In this case, it could be your heart chakra. You bring it to your heart. Your awareness is, let's say, in your heart chakra or another chakra that you feel needs to be cleansed up. Feel this chakra's unique energy. Now you create a big rose in front of you and you bring it and you start cleaning that chakra that needs attention. You bring it into the front and you pull it out and you cleaning it like a brush. Give it a deep cleaning and see all the stuck energies leaving. And you throw the rose, you put the rose outside your aura and you're removing any foreign energies through the rose. Now release any stuck energy that was in that chakra. Release it. Fully release from any old patterns of pain in that chakra. Feel the cosmic energy now refilling that particular chakra with 100% full, with vitality, energy, and wholeness. Put this rose outside your aura and let it go, as stuck energy will now get released outside of your boundary. Your boundary is your aura around you, usually at an arm's length is the best place. Check this chakra at the back and the front for any energy cords that are coming and attaching to it from the others. Smile, grab those cords, give a pull, and wait for them to come off, and then put those cords outside of your aura. Imagine you're gently grabbing all these cords that are connected to you from external sources, external people. You forgive them, and when they're released, you put them outside your aura with your arm. Take a deep breath as the energy releases. Feel all those cords have now been removed from you at that particular chakra that was having some problems and issues. Now this chakra is going into perfect balance with the cosmic energy, filling it completely, 100% full, ready for action. Now be in the center of your head. Keep your focus. Be aware of all your chakras now. Now run your right hand from the waist all the way to your forehead, spinning all your chakras, all 7 of them. Then do it one more time. Run it from your waist all the way up. You spin your chakras. And you see in your head all your chakras are spinning in motion, and all of them are completely full. Now you feel your unique song radiating out from you to the universe. Feel the cosmic energy amplifying the song. Feel it. Now you say with a smile, I love my chakras. I love being in harmony. I love planet Earth. I love myself. Remember the point that you saw across the room? Bring your presence back to that point with your eyes closed. When you're ready, stretch your arms out and open your eyes. This is the end of the exercise. Okay, so now you're in the present, eyes open. That was the exercise to clean up your 7 chakras. So you're now fully able to function with your full power and authority on this earth.